Do you know many people are having trouble with checking their ink levels? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on printer. Ensure your Canon Pixma MP280 is turned on and in standby mode. Step 2. Check ink lamps. Locate the ink lamps on the operation panel. Watch for a steady light to indicate low ink or flashing if there's an error. Step 3. Open printer status. On your computer, open the printer driver setup window and select View Printer Status. Step 4. View ink details. Click on ink details in the status window to view detailed information about the ink levels. Step 5. Use status monitor. During printing, open the printer status monitor from the taskbar icon for quick ink level checks. By following these steps, you can easily check your ink levels on the Canon Pixma MP280. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.